Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will learn how to bypass MDM on iPad without data loss and jailbreak. If device management is on your iPad, some functions are restricted. Even you factory reset the iPad, you will see the remote management page again. Thus, how can you bypass the MDM and get out of the supervision? Don't worry, here you can get an easy way to regain full access to your iPad. iPhone Passcode Genius can help you to do it. First of all, make sure iTunes is installed on your computer. Go to iSunshare official website. Find iPhone Passcode Genius page. Yes, this software can remove the device supervision without password. Click download to get it. Now launch the program. Choose Remove MDM option on the screen. Alright, your iPad is detected here, and you should disable Find My iPad before removing MDM now. Click the Start button to remove the device supervision. Okay, you did a great job. Congratulations! That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.